AccuSize carries various models and sizes of bridge reamers. Bridge reamers, also named construction reamers, are used to expand or align existing holes on metal prior to bolt or rivet installation. AccuSize bridge reamers are for professional use. They are suitable for iron, structural iron, steel, bridge work, and ship construction. Like all construction reamers, they are born for on-site jobs. Given its affordability, home gamers can also use it. Satisfaction guaranteed. AccuSize carries reamers of various shanks. You can install them on a variety of holders like drill presses, electric impact wrenches, pneumatic impact wrenches, etc. Each reamer has sharp point and longer taper, which enables easy entry to badly misaligned holes. The point is tapered to permit entry to overlapping holes. AccuSize reamers are with black and gold finishes and bright finished. The size ranges from 3/8 inch to 1 1/16 inch. We supply the reamers of 3 equal flat shanks, hex shanks, and Weldon shanks. Reamers with magnetic shanks are also available. The magnetic shank ensures extra security for metalworking jobs. We keep increasing the models and the sizes of reamer lines. We also keep upgrading the design, quality, versatility, and affordability.